Welcome, dear listener, to this transformative journey of success and fulfillment. In this session, we will embark on a profound exploration of your subconscious mind, where we will rewire your beliefs, boost your confidence, and cultivate the mindset and habits necessary for achieving your goals. Allow yourself to surrender to the power of your subconscious and open yourself to the limitless possibilities that await you. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, in a quiet and serene environment. Close your eyes and take a few deep, cleansing breaths, letting go of any anxieties or worries that may be clouding your mind. With each exhale, release any tension you may be holding in your body, allowing yourself to sink deeper into a state of profound relaxation. Induction. Imagine yourself sinking deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. With each breath, your body becomes heavier and your mind becomes calmer. Feel the tension melting away from your muscles and allow your thoughts to drift away like clouds in the sky. Now, visualize yourself in a safe and empowering place. This could be a real or imagined location, a place where you feel confident, capable, and successful. Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and sensations of this place. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze caressing your face, the feeling of limitless possibilities surrounding you. Rewiring beliefs. Acknowledge any limiting beliefs you may have about your ability to achieve success. These could be beliefs such as, "I'm not good enough," "I don't have what it takes," or "success is only for a select few." Recognize that these are simply patterns of thinking that you have developed over time, and they do not reflect your true potential. With compassion, release these negative thought patterns and replace them with empowering affirmations. Repeat these affirmations silently to yourself. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am confident in my abilities and my potential. I am worthy of success and fulfillment. I am creating a life of success and happiness. Visualization. Imagine yourself achieving your goals. Visualize yourself graduating with honors, landing your dream job, starting a successful business, or achieving any other goal that is important to you. See yourself overcoming challenges with ease, making wise decisions, and taking inspired action towards your dreams. Now, imagine yourself standing on top of a mountain, overlooking a vast and beautiful landscape. This mountain represents your success, and the view from the top represents the fulfillment and joy that come from achieving your goals. Take a deep breath, and with confidence, step onto the mountain and embrace the feeling of success. Deepening the transformation. Spend some time basking in the feeling of success and fulfillment. Visualize yourself living a life that is aligned with your values and passions, where you are making a positive impact on the world and experiencing true happiness. Imagine the positive impact this transformation will have on your life. Feel the joy, pride, and sense of accomplishment that come from achieving your goals. Empowerment and action. Now, visualize yourself taking inspired action towards your goals. See yourself setting clear goals, developing a plan of action, and taking consistent steps towards achieving your dreams. Repeat these affirmations silently to yourself. I am taking inspired action towards my goals. I am overcoming challenges with ease. I am creating the life of my dreams. I am grateful for my success and fulfillment. Emergence and integration. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths and stretch your body gently. As you return to full consciousness, carry with you the feeling of confidence, empowerment, and success. Remember, the changes you have initiated within yourself are now deeply embedded in your subconscious mind. Continue to practice positive affirmations, visualize your success, and take inspired action to manifest your desires. Conclusion. Congratulations on taking this transformative step towards a life of success and fulfillment. Remember, you have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. Embrace the mindset of success, cultivate the habits of successful people, and watch as your dreams manifest into reality. Bonus affirmations. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am confident in my abilities and my potential. I am worthy of success and fulfillment. I am creating a life of success and happiness. I am grateful for my success and fulfillment. Additional notes. This script can be used as a standalone hypnosis session or as part of a broader personal development program. It is important to tailor the suggestions to the individual's specific goals and experiences. The use of imagery and metaphors can be very effective in rewiring limiting beliefs and cultivating a success mindset. It is recommended to listen to this recording regularly, especially during times when you are feeling discouraged or lacking in motivation. Remember, hypnosis is a collaborative process between the hypnotist and the client. The client's willingness to participate and engage with the suggestions is essential for success. Disclaimer: this recording is for informational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional coaching or guidance. If you are seeking assistance in achieving your goals, it is important to consult with a qualified coach or mentor.